Today, we're going to be showing you how to customize your very own Mark 7 full bolt-on kit. Designed for Volkswagen GTIs and Golf Rs, ARM has everything you need to take your Mark 7 build to the next level. Let's start with the front-mounted intercooler. The stock system chokes airflow and is known for severe heat soaking issues. Our standard option provides significant improvement over stock. And for those of you with aftermarket turbos, our competition intercooler is great for you. Now let's talk downpipes. The stock downpipe uses a dense catalyst that hinders airflow, leading to high back pressure and harder work on the turbo. Upgrading the downpipe will lead to a power increase due to a faster turbo spool and a big improvement on the exhaust note. This is especially important if you plan to run a higher stage tune. In addition, for the GTI, we offer a 4.5-inch downpipe for even more increased airflow and exhaust sound. Now, what would be a Mark 7 build without talking exhaust? That's right, our full catback exhaust is the best sounding system on the market and will provide much needed airflow to the back end of your build. It even features a remote controlled valve system, allowing you to switch between a controlled and aggressive tone whenever you need it. To fully maximize intake and airflow, you can also add our charge piping, our intake kit, or the turbo inlet to your order as well. Last but not least, our Turbo Muffler Delete puts the cherry on top. It does this by removing the restrictive OEM muffler and adding more turbo intake noise. On top of it all, ARM Motorsports offers a lifetime warranty for all of our products to ensure longevity and durability. With the full Mark 7 bolt-on kit installed, you can expect to see significant increase in power and cooling efficiency. To customize your kit today, head over to armmotorsports.com to place your order. See you on the road.